Modern washing machines offer more than just basic cleaning capabilities these days. Some models now include Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to control and monitor cycles through their phone. When shopping for the best washing machine in 2023, you may come across additional advanced features. While these options aim to enhance convenience, they also give shoppers more factors to consider. To help you decide which one is the best fit, we have compiled a list of the top 5 washing machines along with their key features and provided guidance on what to consider when selecting the best one for your needs. You can find links to all the mentioned products in the video description below. Let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Frigidaire washing machine. This top-load washer is designed to provide efficient and effective laundry cleaning. With a capacity of 4.1 cubic feet, it can handle large loads, making it suitable for families or individuals with heavy laundry needs. Key features include multiple wash cycles and options to cater to various fabric types and soil levels. This allows for customized washing, ensuring that your clothes are treated gently while still getting thoroughly clean. The machine also offers a quick wash option for when you need to clean lightly soiled items in a hurry. One of the notable benefits of this washing machine is its advanced vibration control system, which minimizes noise and vibrations during operation. This feature makes it convenient for use in households where noise reduction is essential, especially during nighttime or early morning loads. Overall, it combines convenience, efficiency, and durability, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a high-capacity top-load washer with versatile washing options. Moving on, at number 4, we have the IG Washtower Laundry Center, specifically designed to provide a space-saving and highly efficient solution for homes with limited space or those seeking a convenient laundry setup. By combining both a washer and dryer in a single, vertically stacked unit, this laundry center optimizes floor space and streamlines your laundry routine. One of the standout features of the IG Washtower is its high-capacity washer, capable of handling substantial loads in one go. This makes it an excellent choice for families or individuals with a considerable amount of laundry to tackle regularly. No more worrying about constant trips to the laundromat or dealing with multiple machines. This all-in-one solution has got you covered. In addition to its functionality, the Washtower Laundry Center stands out for its user-friendly controls and digital display. The intuitive interface makes it easy to select the desired wash and dry settings, offering a hassle-free laundry experience. Beyond its practicality and performance, the IG Washtower Laundry Center offers an aesthetic appeal with its sleek and modern design. At number 3, we have the GE Appliances Top-Load Washing Machine. This is a reliable and efficient laundry appliance designed to tackle your laundry needs with ease. Its large capacity drum allows you to wash significant loads in one cycle, making it ideal for larger families or those dealing with bulky items. With multiple wash cycles and options, you can choose the appropriate settings for different fabrics and soil levels, ensuring gentle yet effective cleaning. The deep fill option adds extra water for heavily soiled items, while the auto soak feature pre-soaks clothes to tackle tough stains. The machine operates quietly, making it suitable for use at any time of the day. Energy efficient and durable, the GE Appliances Top-Load Washing Machine delivers excellent cleaning performance, saving you time and effort in your laundry routine. Next on the list is the LG Electronics Washer at number 2. It is an exceptional laundry appliance that excels in both performance and efficiency. Its ultra-large capacity drum enables you to wash substantial loads. The innovative turbowash technology utilizes powerful jets to spray water and detergent directly onto the clothes, reducing wash time without compromising on cleaning effectiveness. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with tight schedules, allowing them to finish laundry faster. The inclusion of steam technology further enhances the washer's capabilities by effectively removing tough stains and allergens while being gentle on fabrics. Moreover, the washer comes equipped with smart diagnosis, enabling quick and efficient troubleshooting through the LG SmartThingQ app. Finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung Smart Dial Front Load Washer. This top-of-the-line laundry appliance seamlessly blends innovation and efficiency to elevate your laundry experience. Its standout feature, the Smart Dial technology, revolutionizes how you interact with the washer. With a simple turn of the dial, you can effortlessly select from a wide range of customizable wash settings, ensuring precise care for different fabric types and soil levels. This intuitive interface guarantees excellent cleaning results tailored to your specific laundry needs. The washer's generous 6.0 cubic feet drum capacity provides ample space to handle large loads, reducing the number of cycles required and saving both time and energy. Additionally, the washer is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing seamless integration with the Samsung SmartThings app. This feature enables you to remotely control and monitor your laundry, giving you the flexibility to start or pause cycles and receive alerts about your laundry's progress right from your smartphone. So that's a wrap. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, please subscribe to our channel.